Palm City in 1978 looked a lot different.
And this house is what it looked like. Original floor plan, real rooms, and 2 acres.
The character is original, the systems are not. This is the version of Palm City that people move here for.
Contact the Wolf team today for a private showing.